The South Green Spikers in straight sets. The Golden Spikers are now in at 2-1. We have Coach Oji Mamon, Popoy Colinares, and Alche Gupiteo.
Good morning.
Good morning, Coach. Congratulations for this victory. It's very rare na ang top scorer mo ay middle blocker like Popoy with 11 of 15 attacks, 5 blocks, and 1 service ace. So, ano yung nakita mo today kay Popoy talaga this game na siya yung nagdala sa inyo for this victory?
It's his confidence. His self-confidence na infect pati yung mga teammates niya. So, very good. We had a good preparation, short preparation lang, 2 days coming to this game. So, very happy.
Thank you. To Popoy, ingat, nasabi ko na yung stats mo. You have 5 of USPs, 11 blocks. So, yun nga, it's a very rare nga na ang leadings kasi we know na usually yung mga offense fighters, you know, very rare like you na leading scorer ka sa middle blocker. So, what can you say na dinala mo yung team sa victory? And ano yung naging mindset mo para, syempre, ingat, wala pa rin si Josh. Anything?
Nung ano po namin, yung nasaktan po kami nung game 1 namin, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi na pwedeng maulit yun. And yun po, sabi rin ng mga coach namin na hindi lang naman sa game nakikita yung magandang performance eh. Dapat mas nakikita yun sa ensayo, kung ano yung ina-ensayo namin. For sure, mas magiging komportable kami sa ensayo. And bonus na lang po kung ano yung magiging outcome. Basta po play your best lang po yung sinasabi ng coach namin.
Thank you to Alche. 6 of 10 attacks, 1 block, and 5 excellent receptions. So yun nga, kumusta naman yung transition mo from beach volleyball to indoor after 3 games? Kung i-rate mo yung sarili mo, ano ka right now sa ano mo? Bang din yung transition mo?
Ano po, naniwala po kasi nobody's perfect. Ending nasa 5 pa lang po. Kasi since I'm beach volleyball po ako, tapos I converted to indoor. Tapos po, ito yung tiwala na po kasi ng teammates ko, tapos especially kay Coach Oji, yung mga coaches namin. So, why not i-grab ko to siya as my goal? At least, yung sinasabi ko sa may confident ako kasi sa kay Alche, kasi nandyan siya. So, ginab ko talaga yun.
Thank you, kay. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, you've been very vocal naman na deep yung lineup.
Yes.
How happy ka lang na hindi lang siya on paper, pati ngayon nakikita na sa alam.
This is the result speaks for itself. Bukod doon yung preparation din namin. So, kahapon, maganda yung mood nila. So, hanggang ngayon, na-extend nila yung good vibes. Magaan sila sa court. Although lumamaman yung kalaban, parang no pressure on our part. So, merong isang player na masama, meron agad kapalit. Hindi na ako takot pag-alis ng key player kasi everyone is a key player na.
Hoy, ikaw, ano naman sabi mo sa lineup mo ngayon? Ilan taon ka na rin naman sa USD. At gaano ka lang kasi na from top to bottom talaga kaya mag-deliver na yan?
Siyempre po, masaya po kami buong team namin. Kasi, yun nga po, yung nangyari kay Josh. Kahit nawala po si Josh sa lineup namin, kumbaga, intact pa rin po kami as a team. Kumbaga, kahit sinong mawala sa amin, kahit sinong ilagay mo dyan, sure po kami magpe-perform. Kasi ganun po ka-confident yung bawat player po namin.
Alche, gaano ka lang din kasaya na finally nakapag-indoor ka na first naman yun yung nirecruit para sa'yo, then nag-beach ka?
Very happy. As in, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nafe-feel ko, basta parang na-explode ko yung heart ko sa happiness. Kasi since nanalo po kami, sa first game namin natalo kami, then sabi nga ni Coach makitiwala sa Diyos. So yun, nanalo. So very, very, very happy talaga.
Coach, the lineup lang din. Parang you think na, especially the wing spikers, they're getting more and more comfortable, getting the hang of when and where you place them during the game situations.
Everything you see on the court while we're playing, most of them yun yung ini-enforce namin on training. Meron lang times na nagagalit ako sa kanila during the match kasi nagpa-fancy play sila, nag-exhibition sila, or nag-experiment sila. I just remind them na always keeps on reminding them na we should play our own system. So, buti ngayon kanina naagapan ko kasi lumamang ng 3 points yung kalaban. So, they responded naman.
So coach, ito na. While we still waiting for Josh to come back, of course, ito maganda to, you keep on winning. So, ano yung kailangan mindset ng team para syempre, para just in case sa pagbalik ni Josh in the near future, nasa magandang pwesto kayo, Coach.
Yun nga, kailangan naman wala na kaming fixed na core players, everyone is a key player. Pero, we should prepare para respeto na namin sa mga kalaban namin. So, nagpe-prepare kami para sa mga kalaban na namin. Hindi kami nagre-rely on the past game namin last time. Lalo na ngayon, maganda yung panalo namin. So, I will still push them to play their best.
Congratulations, Coach Ochi.
Thank you. Thank you po. Yay. Tuwan na ako.